We're just inspecting our tanks as they're still flowing over, and I think Sven said that when he pulled the pipe out, he noticed
Oh yeah.
the filter is blocked.
So it's pouring out of the top here, the pipe inlet, instead of going up the overflow.
So when we had a look at the overflow pipe, we realized that nothing was going into it. And as you can tell, it's raining pretty hard right now. Oh, is that the whole filter?
I don't think it's supposed to come out that way. This tank is about here. So there's more of those, what are those cross spiders called?
Don't know. So our tanks are actually pretty full, but I don't think it's quite reached the overflow pipe level. So there's no reason for it to be pouring out at the top. So we're just going to have to inspect the filter and just see what's going on. It looks disgusting.
Let's see if we can figure out how to open it.
I think it's clips.
Yeah, look, it's completely blocked with shit.
Oh my god.
Is that a cockroach?
That is disgusting. So another reason why I very quickly stopped drinking our rainwater when we realized there was no proper filtering the water that we actually drink. So stay tuned for that, because we're going to be putting that in hopefully pretty soon. So we're actually buying bottled drinking water at the moment. Oh, it's pouring, but we really have to do this today. Take a look though at how much water is actually going into the tank. So at least we know that our gutters and pipes are actually working. But whew, it's pouring. You might as well do the other one too.
See, this one's actually got a bracket on it. Oh, that whole top thing is loose. Oh, there's not water. There's not really water coming into this one.
But what does the filter look like?
No, there's some coming in. It's also gross, disgusting. Not as bad, but gross. When the weather improves a bit, we'll clean those tops.
Alright, it's raining really hard again, and as you can tell, no more water is coming out the top of the tank. So we'll come and check again in a bit, and hopefully this has solved our mystery problem and we do not have to dig a trench. So now that our tanks are fixed, hopefully, we still have quite a bit of water around the property. So, well, the building, should I say. So this is still very much an issue. And I've just noticed around this other drain pipe and all the way along the shed.
How did this one go?
It's also still overflowing quite a bit, perhaps. Have you checked this one?
This one did not get cleaned.
Oh, yes. It's
This boy is
pouring.
full. Okay, hold on.
Okay, so hopefully that will fix this problem. Because this pipe is meant to go and feed back into our tanks, is our understanding. But that's obviously not even getting a chance to do that.
So there's a bunch of that in there. This gutter has not been cleaned in many moons. Cool. Oh yeah, that's pretty gross.
So it's supposed to rain and thunderstorm all day today, so we'll just keep checking in on it, but hopefully that has fixed our problem. So we're also going to just inspect our broken sort of cover and drain. You can see there's quite a bit of build up on the inside. And Sven's going to be quite brave and put his hands down there.
Let's hope there's not another Nigel in here. I fixed it.
I mean, yes and no. Probably the best it's going to be for now.
Yeah, I can actually, that's the plastic. I can feel it underneath.